This is the airbrush set from that Go Cheer sent me, and I want to show it to you. So here's the hose, both sides. Here is the motor itself, where you plug the hose into one side. Okay, here's your plug-in, so right here, and that's where you hook your hose up to, and then all of the pieces that you've got. This sprayer, it feels fairly light, I would say. It's certainly not weighty. Okay, this twists apart. This is where you put your paint or your frosting, whatever material you're using. Here's another one of those, a different size. And then here's, whoops. Okay, there's several more. I'm really impressed with how many accessories and little different tips and sprayers there are for this. It's nice when there's such a variety. Here's a little cleaning brushes so that you can keep it clean, and a pipette. Oh, and a very small wrench if you need to do some work on it. That's nice. And then here's some smaller pieces in here as well. Okay, so here's some small pieces. I think there's, whoops, excuse me, and one more.